All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV, MG Sports Media TV, MG Sports TV, all the MG you can call. Definitely, we are here for another one. So, Andre Gray is on the move. Andre Gray is most definitely on the move. Surprisingly, there were top championship clubs who were after Andre Gray, but he decided that he wants to move to Greece. So we're gonna get into the details. All I want you guys to do, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, people. As you know, we're gonna trying to have a little small show here. It won't be a long one, but let's get to the details of surrounding the contract because it's pretty much a nice one. And as you can see, this looks like it's the last payday. So let's get straight into the details, people. Let's not waste anyone's time. Smash that like button, people. Hit that subscribe button, most definitely, and share the content if you feel free to do so. All right, so as you can see here we go. Reggae Boyz striker Andre Gray and ex Watford striker forward last season he played for QPR last season on a loan. Joins Greek club Aris Thessaloniki. The player will sign a 2-year plus 1 extra year contract with the Greek club. Now, as you can see here, they already published his jersey number for the entire world to see that, hey, this is our player. Now, let's get into the details. Here's some minor details in his contract. So, according to Leonos Costas, the player will be on a £900,000 euros per year and will replace former Fulham ace Aboy Bakar Kamara. Medical is due on Saturday. So his medical is due today, which was when you're seeing this, guys. So most definitely that's one that we can look forward to. The AL, don't worry about the AL. It's Aboy Bakar. Aboy Bakar. The AL kind of threw me away, but I know that was wrong. To me, this is good news. This is definitely good news. Why is my background black? This is some good news. You can see, I would say that his last payday actually, and he's securing a big move for his last payday. But we have seen quite a few transfers already taking place. Norman Campbell making a move as well. So I will consistently drop some of these updates, people, to keep you guys up to date on what's happening. So hopefully, guys, just keep tuning on what's happening. It's kind of small. I hope you guys was able to read the details of the contract and so forth. Let me see if I could. Good. I think that's actually much better. So let me read through it again, so you guys can get the understanding. Let's start from here. So Reggae Boyz striker and ex-Watford forward last season as well, played for QPR on loan, joins the Greek club Aris Thessaloniki. The player will sign a 2 years plus 1 extra year added contract for the Greek club. Let me go back to the other part of this pay. According to Leones Costas, the player will be on a 900,000 euro pay slip per year and will replace former Fulham ace Aboy Bakar. Yeah, Nina Hardiman Kamara. My medical is due on Saturday, which is when you guys are actually watching it. As I said, people, they have already announced it. The club has already announced it. You can see they streamline the jersey for everyone to see that jersey. But that is how it is, people. Until next time, people. Hopefully, you guys are doing good, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Big up, people. Big up Andre Gray. Hopefully you have a successful career, the rest of your career down there, and wishing you a good one. Big up, people. See you guys again. Until next time, Military Guna TV, people. We are out. Boom.